What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and today we're gonna have some fun. It's Transit Tuesday, Ford Transit Tuesday. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And today I got our shop dog, Ford, actually is gonna hang out with me. He's happy just to be with me, you know? But this is Kate, this is the kids' dog, and they actually named him Ford. So I guess they're big fans of Fords. And that's super convenient because we're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna talk about what we did to this brand new 2022 Ford Transit all-wheel drive. This thing is beautiful. I love the color of it. Without further ado, wanna go talk about a van, Ford? Let's go. This is a really, really cool color. I'm not even sure what it is. I'm sure one of you guys out there watching know the color. Comment down below and let me know what it is. I mean, this is really nice. Now, this is gonna be a mid-roof van, and you can see that it has already been decked out before it even got here. It got a ladder and the roof rack, which look really nice. Having a lifted van is always cooler. The big thing about this is getting you that additional ground clearance, also the ability to run that bigger tire. Let's talk about what we did to the front to lift it. Let's talk about the tires and wheels as well. Up on the front of this is pretty cool. We did a set of black steely wheels, and these are just normal Ford wheels that they had powder coated or painted black. The customer brought this whole setup, and I mean, I really dig it. I think that it looks really nice. What we did on this is our all-wheel drive. This is our altitude kit, guys. This is gonna be our lower control arm with our Coil aluminum lift spacer on there as well. And what's really cool about all of our new lower control arms is originally, yes, you were able to adjust the caster on the arms. Well, now we've made the lower ball joint adjustable as well. So now you can also adjust the camber, which is really great. You're gonna get about 1.5 degrees of camber adjustment on the bottom of that. So we are running a 265 75/16 tire on there, and you will need to do some trimming on there. So as you come up here, you'll be able to see up in the front, having to trim that fender, and then also in the back, bringing that back. And usually I'll even trim that pinch weld just to give me even more room. Definitely don't want to chew up a nice set of tires. Just a really clean overall look, not too aggressive on the tires. I think I like a little bit better when you go to like the method wheels, is that offset seems to be a little bit different, pushing that wheel out just a little bit more. And I could be wrong, I'd have to double check on that, but it just appears that maybe just because the wheel width is bigger, but something that's really nice. I mean, dude, overall though, I really dig this. These are a set of Michelins. So that's enough with the front. We're heading to the rear. So in the back of this, we kept this really simple. So we did add a 2-inch block to the rear of this, as well as new U-bolts. We want a better ride out of all of these. So we did add a set of Fox shocks to the rear of them, which is really great. Now, the one thing I will tell you that we do have to do on this is do a little bit of trimming on the fenders as well. But other than that, it's really pretty straightforward and simple. And if you're thinking about doing this, you know, install yourself, we have our directions on our website where you can actually go to the website on the product page and click install directions, and it'll actually show you what's all involved in installing this. And this is the case with all of our kits. We really want you to know what you're going to be getting yourself involved in. For all you do it yourself guys, you definitely can do it yourself. Do it in your driveway. It's not terribly hard. And you know, you're going to give yourself a killer looking van like this one right here. Ford, what do you say? You approve? Yeah, give me a high five. There it is, there it is, there it is. All right, Ford approves, we're good. All right, so there it is, guys. A quick video on this Ford Transit all-wheel drive mid-roof. This thing is just, I can't wait to see what they're going to do with it. Hopefully we'll get some pictures of it out in the open, wild, other than just the cul-de-sac, but that's as far as we get to take this brand new Ford Transit all-wheel drive. And even the dog Ford approves, so you definitely are going to need this lift kit. It's awesome. So thanks guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys think of this, and you know, welcome, say, hey, what's up to Ford? Welcome him to the Weldtec videos. I think this, I don't know if he's been kind of around in one other one, but say, hey, welcome Ford, come here, bud. So there it is, guys. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I'll see you in the next video.